Key points. Learning goals. Did you know? Rotation of the moon. Why do we see the same side of the moon? The earth or the moon? Why is a calendar month not 27 days? Phases of the moon. New moon. Waxing crescent. First quarter. Waxing gibbous. Full moon. Waning gibbous. Third quarter. Waning crescent. What is an eclipse? Solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Moon is used in Islam. The moon's significance. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him split the moon. Phases of the moon. How the moon is used in Islam. Phases of the moon. How the moon is used in Islam. Learn with Hadi. Learning goals. Identify and describe the different phases of the moon. Explain how these cycles cause eclipses. The moon is important in Islam because it is used to determine the start of the lunar month and religious holidays. Did you know? The moon itself does not produce its own light and is not a light source. The reason the moon lights up at night is because it actually the reflection of the sun. This means that the light from the sun bounces off it back to earth. Rotation of the moon. The moon rotates on its own axis, as does the earth. Earth also orbits around the sun. In fact, it takes the same amount of time to rotate as it does to orbit the earth once. As a result, we see many different phases of the moon depending on where the sun, earth and moon are positioned. Why do we see the same side of the moon? Have you ever noticed that the moon always looks the same? Sure, the phases of the moon changes, but the actual features on the moon always look the same from month to month. This is because the moon's rotation and orbit take the same amount of time. As a result, we always see the same face of the moon no matter what time of the month we look at it. The Earth or the Moon. The Moon is the Earth's only permanent satellite. It takes approximately 27 or 1/3 days for the Moon to complete a full rotation on its axis. However, a lunar month is 29.5 days from full moon to full moon. Why is a calendar month not 27 days? It is due to the fact that at the same time the moon is orbiting to Earth, the Earth is also orbiting the sun. This means the positions of the Earth, sun and moon are constantly changing. Due to this continual movement of the Earth in its orbit around the sun, it always takes an extra 2 days for the moon to go from one full moon to the next. Phases of the moon. There are 8 phases of the moon. New moon. The moon's unilluminated side is facing the Earth. This makes the new moon barely visible. This phase occurs when the sun, earth and moon are aligned, with the moon positioned between the sun and earth. Waxing crescent. The moon now reflects some of the sun's light and becomes visible again. Less than half of the moon is illuminated. It occurs after new moon. First quarter. This moon phase is visible when the moon reaches the first quarter of its orbit around the earth. One half of the moon appears to be illuminated. Waxing gibbous. The visibility of the moon is getting bigger. More than half of the moon is now illuminated, but what we can see is still smaller than a full moon. Full moon. The moon's illuminated side is facing Earth. This means the moon appears to be completely illuminated by direct sunlight. It occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of Earth than the sun. Waning gibbous. This phase occurs after the full moon. The size that of the moon that is visible begins to decrease. The moon appears to be more than one half illuminated, but not fully illuminated by direct sunlight. Third quarter. This phase of the moon is the opposite view of the first quarter moon. One half of the moon appears to be illuminated by direct sunlight. Waning crescent. This is the last phase of the moon before the cycle repeats. Less than one half of the moon is illuminated by direct sunlight. It appears in the sky almost like the shape of a fingernail. What is an eclipse? An eclipse occurs when one celestial body, such as a moon or planet, moves into the shadow of another celestial body. There are 2 types of eclipses on Earth. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse will occur when the moon blocks the light from the sun and casts a shadow in space. This happens when the moon is positioned between the sun and the earth, as we saw in the new moon phase. In order to get a solar eclipse, the sun, moon and earth must be in perfect alignment. Normally the moon's shadow misses the earth. If the sun is blocked out by the moon, it appears black. If the moon blocks out the whole sun, it is called a total eclipse. If the moon only blocks out part of the sun, it is called a partial eclipse. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse will occur when the earth blocks the light from the sun and casts a shadow in space. Sometimes this shadow falls on the moon, causing an eclipse of the moon. This doesn't happen every month. Just like with solar eclipses, there are total lunar eclipses and partial lunar eclipses, depending on how much of the moon passes through the Earth's shadow. As the moon passes through the Earth's shadow, the lit part of the moon gets progressively smaller and darker. During a lunar eclipse, the moon does not turn black, but a reddish color. This is sometimes referred to as a blood moon. Moon is used in Islam. The moon is important in Islam because it is used to determine the start of the lunar month and religious holidays. The moon also represents God's guidance. New moon marks the start of a new month in the Islamic calendar. The new moon is eagerly awaited, especially at the end of Ramadan. Moon sighting, the act of observing the new crescent moon. Lunar calendar. The Islamic calendar has 12 mahina of 29 or 30 days. The number of days in each month depends on when the new crescent moon is first visible. Religious holidays. The timing of important religious events, such as Ramadan, Eid al-Fitr, and Hajj, depends on the sighting of the new moon. The moon's significance. The moon represents God's guidance on the path through life. The full moon is a sign of Allah and a reminder that everything in this world belongs to Allah. The moon is one of many creations from Allah that show the beauty of nature. The crescent moon symbol. The crescent moon is a symbol that is seen throughout Islamic cultures. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, split the moon. The splitting of the moon is a miracle in the Islamic faith that is attributed to the Prophet Muhammad. This event is mentioned in the Quran and in Muslim traditions. How is the event described? The event is described in Surah Al-Qamar 54:7-2. The event is called Shaq al-Qamar in Arabic. The event is said to have occurred in Mina in Mecca. The event is said to have taken place about 5 years before the Prophet's migration to Medina. What is the purpose of the event? The event is said to have been performed to show that Muhammad's God was indeed God. Thanks for watching Islam for All YouTube channel. Key points. Learning goals. Did you know? Rotation of the moon. Why do we see the same side of the moon? The earth or the moon? Why is a calendar month not 27 days? Phases of the moon. New moon. Waxing crescent. First quarter. Waxing gibbous. Full moon. Waning gibbous. Third quarter. Waning crescent. What is an eclipse? Solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse. Moon is used in Islam. The moon's significance. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, split the moon.